Hi everyone, I'm Kristin, one of the co-founders of Saathi. We make biodegradable and compostable sanitary pads from banana and bamboo fiber. This is our team, 3 mechanical engineers. We also have experience in materials as well as manufacturing, and then our team of global advisors from different countries around the world and representing different industries. Our goal is to revolutionize the hygiene industry by making plastic-free absorbents that are good for your body, the community, and the environment, and do so in a sustainable and responsible way. We started Saathi in order to address multiple issues. The first is that only 36% of women in India have access to menstrual hygiene products. And this leads to a number of issues, including urinary tract infections, increased reproductive tract infections, and other irritation and other issues, health issues. In addition, almost 23 million girls drop out of school each year, and that is due to lack of menstrual hygiene facilities, as well as lack of access to menstrual products. The third issue is that even with only 36% of women having access to menstrual products, that's equal to 21.8 billion sanitary pads that are disposed each year, and sanitary pads are made of plastics and chemicals such as bleach. So we're able to address this with our holistic solution, making pads that are made from natural materials. They're made to be just as absorbent as regular pads, but they don't cause rashes, irritation, or other issues. We're able to do this with our patented technology to convert agri-waste fibers into an absorbent material that can make not only sanitary pads, but other absorbents as well. In our business model, we're able to make sure that all of our impacts are built in so that as our business grows, our impacts will grow. We're sourcing raw materials from farmers, which means that the farmers have additional income. We have an all-women staff in our manufacturing unit, so we're able to support women employment, also in distribution. And then we make our products in our own manufacturing facility in India, and then we're able to sell not only to urban women, but have that subsidized for women who are underserved areas of India as well. And finally, we're looking at other ways that we can upcycle the used sanitary pads into compost, biomass energy, etc. We have 2 main revenue streams. The first is B2B, so selling to distributors as well as to companies that are looking to work towards CSR initiatives and add to the 1 million pads initiative that we have. And the second is B2C, which is direct on our website, as well as on Amazon, Flipkart, etc. We're addressing 9 of the UN Sustainable Development Goals, and we measure 5 key metrics. So we've been doing that for the past 5 years that we've been selling products. So far we've been able to impact additional income for farmers. We have also employed 350 women. We've reached 40,000 menstruators across India, and we have reduced or avoided 50 metric tons of plastic waste and 58 metric tons of CO2 emissions. The market is huge, $20.5 billion, and this is just for sanitary pads alone, and this is global, and then $550 million in India. We have a lot of traction. So far, we've been able to reach 40,000 women. We have interest from multiple countries. We have a patent, and we have funding from various entities that are listed here. We currently have a huge pipeline of distributors that are interested in our product, but we're raising funding of $550,000 in order to scale up to meet that demand. This is our scale-up plan, so we're going to purchase new machinery. We would be able to use that funding to hire the rest of our marketing and our manufacturing staff, and then be able to become profitable within 18 months. We've been recognized by a number of different organizations for the impactful social and environmental work that we've done, particularly by Time Magazine as one of the 100 best inventions of 2019. Our ask today is to speak to investors that are interested in joining this bridge round. It's $550,000. If you're interested in distribution opportunities or would like to partner with us on our new plastic avoidance credits program, that would be great. These are some of the women that we've worked with to date, and we aim to make that millions more in the next 5 years. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. That was great. I have a question, which is that, so what percent, and then I have a follow-up question, but what percent of your revenue comes from your B2B stream versus your direct-to-consumer?
It's about 40% for B2B and about 20% for B2C.
And then just sort of given the median income in India, I guess, can you tell me a little bit about how you think about pricing of your product versus what is the current products currently on the market?
Yes, so there are two different categories, I guess you could say, like regular commercial products that are made by big multinationals, and then the alternative products. And so regular multinational products would range from 12 to 18 rupees per piece, and then the alternative brands are somewhere between 30 to 50, and ours is at 20 to 30, so in the middle.
Thank you for the presentation. Could you talk a little bit more about competitors? Obviously, there's a big gap in the market, as you described, but how do you think about other folks that are trying to solve the same problem?
There's so much need that we need all the help that we can get. I mean, generally, there's so much need just in India alone, with only 36% of women having access. And then if you look at the rest of the global market, pretty much there's, you could say, maybe no competition in that sense of just serving the need. But we do promote like other sustainable options, but not so much non-sustainable ones.
And can you talk a little bit about your IP strategy? So it sounds like you already have something. What more are you looking to do in that space?
So far, we have a US patent and an Indian patent on the process as well as the product. And we're looking at exploring potential patents in other products as well. So that's kind of where we're at with that.
Thank you so much.